if you give your mission everything, and like you said, whatever your mission is, it's all needed in this world, but whatever aspect you have found to be your path, you need to sustain yourself. And if you are not doing it, so if you are not consciously resting and reconnecting with nature and with yourself, that's included, then what happens is that the thinking mind, where we were talking about this, gets overtrained, overused, and the effects, people still underestimate the effects of that, because that's not only that you get tired. Yes, that's the beginning, but then if you do this longer, for a longer period of time, what happens is that your relationships suffer because you get irritable. You create stories about people that's, based on judgment and all kinds of stuff, and you believe them. So the mind is creating thoughts, and you're too tired to recognize that these are just stories. And so you create drama. So your relationships suffer, your family, your friends, time, of course, that's part of that. You don't have time for your family. And your body suffers because you're simply depleting your energy. And in the beginning, you can drink a lot of coffee, you can, eat a lot of food, but these are just false fixes. Your body needs to rest deeply. And also the mental part, the mental emotional part of that, because if your mission is too big, it's hard, and you just have 24 hours per day, and you just have a certain amount of energy. So you can even get quite depressed by not achieving what you wanted, or it doesn't go fast enough, or systems, people are in the way. So there's so much that is going on with being a change maker, and so many negative consequences if you're not consciously resting. And I'm saying consciously because if we don't do this consciously in this world with this lifestyle that we have, it doesn't happen simply.